win this time around. Let's go. Oh no! Ugh.
Uh-oh, Sue. Not this time, I guess.
Oh no, Sam, it can't be. Ugh.
Of course it can be, Sue. You'll get lucky some other time.
I can't believe it, Sam. You won yet again. Ugh.
It seems so, Sue.
You've been beating me all morning long in all kinds of games.
I guess it's just that I'm a professional in this.
Sammy.
A true professional.
Wait a minute. I know a game you definitely can't beat me in.
What is it, Sue?
Table football.
Table football? You gotta be kidding. I'm a great football player.
Yes, right. If I had a table football at hand, right, I'll make one myself.
Huh?
Hey everyone! Sam and I decided to make an awesome table football game you can play with your friends.
Hey guys, come on, join us.
We'll start with making the field itself. We'll need a piece of cardboard, roughly this size. Now we'll put up walls for our arena. Be sure to glue it thoroughly together. We don't want our football players to fall off the arena, do we? Okay, maybe it's not the best joke ever. We'll keep going here. Sammy!
What's up?
I need 2 more of these, please.
No problem, I'll go bring them.
Thank you, Sammy. It'll be great help.
Here I am! Miss me already?
Great, good job, Sammy.
What do you think, Susie? Shall we make our field green like back when we played with Messi and Ronaldo?
Sure, Sammy, why not? It should all look like the real thing.
Last time was fun, guys. Do you remember how well I scored back then?
Give a thumbs up if you do.
On the right and on the left, on top and on the bottom. And Susie just kept missing all the goals.
Hey, not all the goals. We still have to see who wins this time around. Let's get back to our table football. See the numbers? It's the length and the height of the walls. Now let's cover our field with fresh grass, because we promised Sam we'd have a green field.
Hey, I heard my name. Wow, new grass. So beautiful.
By the way, you can use thick green foam or paper for field lining.
Oh, what if I just sunbathe here a little bit?
Hey, Sam, you're getting in the way of our field work.
Ugh, okay. I can't even relax them before the game of the century.
Just look how pretty it is.
I love it.
Now we're getting to the most interesting part.
What is it, Sue?
Making the players. I can't wait.
Oh, so that's why you asked me to cut pieces out of cardboard.
That's right, Sammy. We need good players on our team.
Go Sam's team! Yahoo!
I'm afraid no one can hear you yet. Here's good news, though. Our first player is almost ready. By the way, the player's body is 6 centimeters long. If you make them longer, our players will be much taller than the box we made for them. It sounds kind of funny to tell you the truth. There, almost ready. Yet again, mind the measurements. One last part left. So, oh no, it was here. I remember it was.
Isn't this what you're looking for?
Thank you, Sam. You're helping me out as always. I thought for a second that our player lost his head.
It's a good joke, Sue.
It's all ready now. What do you think is missing, Sammy?
Paint, of course.
You're right, Sammy. It's time to paint our player. And done.
Yeah, it's much better this way.
Well, it's time he joins his friends.
And rivals.
That's true. Okay, now it's time to get back to work. It's time to make the supports that are going to hold our players in place. You have to make several of those. You might not make it the very first time around, but you shouldn't despair. Right, Sam?
Sure, Sue. Also, you could ask your friend to help you.
True. You have to pull the stick out a little bit.
Even despite your friend being your rival in table football.
Hey, I can hear that. We'll just make the stick longer, so that we can move the football players over the field freely.
Uh-huh. Now what, Susie?
Now I suggest marking up our field. Look what we've got here. Voila! Now we have the center field and goal zone.
Do you know what the center field is for?
I'm not sure. What's it for, Sammy?
From the center, they do the first kick at the beginning of each time and after a goal is scored. See, the circle is divided into 2 parts.
I sure do.
They mark the territory of each team this way. Try to remember that. What's next?
It's time to make holes.
What? Wait, Sue, are you sure that we absolutely have to do it?
What is it, Sammy? What's wrong?
I'm afraid, sort of. What if they'll hurt?
Oh, don't you worry, Sammy. These aren't usual football players. This is a table football game. They aren't hurting at all. I promise.
Okay, Sue, but mind you, I'm watching you.
I'll keep it in mind. And now we'll make holes for the bars our football players will rotate on. Well, just a little bit left. It's time to finish working and get to competing. Great, now I'll make table legs and you in the meantime paint the ball so that it's just like a football.
What? Me again?
Sure, last time you managed the football really well. We'll use these cardboard pieces to make a cube.
Okay, so I'll need a permanent marker.
Well, Sammy, could you move it, please?
Actually, I'm trying very hard here.
Now let's set the field onto the legs, like this. Well, guys, in the meantime, we'll make the goal. Here we go, careful. And now we'll make the area for our ball to roll off. We'll need these kinds of parts. Let's glue them on the sides here. Hey, Sam, how's our ball doing there?
Listen, Sue, designing a ball is a complex, creative process. Please do not get in the way of my work. Ready?
Oh, yes, you did a great job.
That's for sure. Well, are we close?
I think so. There are several pieces left.
Great!
Why, Sammy? Sammy! Weird. Where did he go?
Listen up, sons. Today is your time to shine. Yes, Sam! Go ahead and win! Show what you're capable of and don't let me down!
We'll wrap the stick right here so that it doesn't move too far during the game. That's how our football player moves. Sammy, where have you been?
Get my team in the right kind of mood to win, just like the captain should.
I hope it worked because we're about to start playing here. Are you ready?
Always ready.
Yay! Okay, let's do this.
I'm the winner.
Yay!
Wow!
Let's go then!
Give it up, Sue.
No way!
Goal! Yes, good job, guys. Come on, you guys. Don't let your captain down.
Hold on, Sammy.
Come on, you'll do it.
Ouch!
Go!
How come?
Thank you, everyone.
Oh, just you wait, Sammy.
I'll show you real football, Susie.
I can't wait, Sammy. I think it's a goal!
Let's play. Yay!
Move it, guys. Off you go. Oh!
It's a dangerous situation. Oh, no! That's a beautiful goal.
Okay, that's it. I can't go on. What's the score, Sammy?
5-4, Sue. Ugh.
Wait, it means I won?
Yeah, I guess you did.
Hooray! I can't believe it!
Yes, congratulations, Sue. You've been a good rival.
Wait, Sammy. You didn't, just yield and let me win, did you?
Huh? No. Well, only a little.
But why, Sammy?
You wanted to win so much, I just had to do it. You are a good player, no doubt about that.
Oh, Sammy, you are a true friend and a gentleman.
Yeah.
I'm asking you, though, next time let me beat you myself.
No problem, Sue. Next time the guys and I will show ya. You won't stand a chance.
That's some mood for the game. And now I suggest celebrating my victory with a cup of hot chocolate.
Yum, yum!
Where are you going?
What do you mean, where? To the kitchen!
But you forgot to say goodbye to the guys.
Right. Sorry, guys. I hope you had fun with us, so give a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to see you in our next video. Bye-bye!
See you soon.